Now, a few notes about search engines and how to search on them. And you know about this because you've been doing it forever, perhaps in Google or perhaps in some other search engine. But I'm going to stay with Google. Now, first point, you can do the searches, you've always done it, but there is Google Advanced Search, which has the Boolean operators and selections. So we can search for a particular topic, a part of a topic excluding some other topic, in a certain language, in a region, in a time frame. Okay, so that can help you if you're looking for something and you're just not finding it anywhere. You can come in here and put in all the filters that you could possibly want. That's the first thing. Second thing, some interesting tricks. Here I'm doing a search for translation and language learning. So those are two topics put together, but I haven't put any Boolean operators. And every time I put in translation, it tells me how to translate it, okay, which I don't need, and I don't need these questions, and there's some video materials there that don't really help us much, because what I'm looking for is actually a book that is called Translation and Language Learning. So if I put inverted commas around that title, that tells me I'm looking for all those words together, okay? And I do that, I still get the translation thing, but I get translation and language learning. That's the book I was looking for. So that's another trick. Put inverted commas around the words that you want to go together, okay? Another trick is this one. You can look for anything and tell Google where to look for it, which country, in fact, or even which site. So, for example, I've got Barcelona, and I've got site:.ca, and that will tell me everything they say about Barcelona in Canada, for example. All right? Lots of it is about flights and about Barcelona Football Club, but I could do the same thing there, write Barcelona FR, and we find what they say about Barcelona in France, which might be different. And you can also write the name of particular websites in there as well if you want. So that's another sort of Boolean operator. It's limiting your research to particular areas. The final thing I wanted to show you is the use of the asterisk, that little thing there, which is a wildcard. So where that asterisk is, there could be anything there. So I've got the biggest whatever in the world, and I click on that, and I get, well, the biggest countries in the world, the biggest animals, the biggest trees, the biggest whale, etc. So if you have a search and you're not too sure what has to go in that particular place, you can use that wildcard and see what comes up. It might stimulate you to do some interesting and creative research. There you go.